Guess who's back? Back again. Miss Ray's back. Tell a friend it's time to do some math. Tell a friend it's time to do some math. Okay, so we're doing lesson 33 today. Miss Ray's losing it. She had too much fun over fall break. She enjoyed all the peace and quiet. But I know we're still getting back in the swing of things. We're back into lesson 33 now. Remember I said we wouldn't be jumping around as much this time. Okay, so today we're going to step back a little bit from what we've been doing. And we're going to talk about I can model 0 less and 1 less in pictures and as subtraction number sentences. Now, in our video today though, it's going to tell you you need a Rec and Rec bracelet. We don't have those because we're at home, and that's okay because I've got my Rec and Rec. Miss Singleton has her Rec and Rec and her Rec and Rec bracelet. So we're going to be using these for you guys. You are still going to need to write some stuff down, so make sure you have that whiteboard or paper, something to write with. Okay, so let's get our brains going first. You are going to do a sprint today in Fluency. Hold on just a second. Okay, you're going to do a sprint. Be careful. These might be really, really hard. I mean, 2 plus 1, 8 plus 1, plus 1 and 2s, and plus 3s, and plus 4. Oh, they're so hard. Plus 1s? Ah, I'm just kidding. You totally have this. It's so easy. You got these. You can add on 1 more. You can add on 2 more. You can add on 3 more. You can add on 4 more. We know how to do these things. You've got this. But remember, you got to set a timer for minutes in order to do this. So go work your brain, get it woke up, come back to me as soon as you're done with your 2 minutes of your sprint. And we're going to do our application problem. So we get to be number detectives again today. Hey. So pause here, sprint, come back. Let's be number detectives. All right, friends, you should be done with your Fluency sprint today. Now we're ready to be number detectives. I've got my detective hat on. I've got our case file here. Remember to read our entire case file so we know how to solve this mystery. Then we'll go back and look for. So let's do that. Let's read through first. 9 children are playing outside. 1 child is on the swings and the rest are playing tag. How many children are playing tag? Write a number bond, a number sentence, and make a math drawing to show how you know. So let's go back and look and see what we have to do. We have to write a number bond. We have to write a number sentence, and we have to make a math drawing to show how we know. So this I can do. I can make my number bond. I can make a number sentence. I don't know if it's addition or subtraction, so I'm going to leave that blank for right now. And then I'm going to draw as we look for clues, okay? So let's go back, look for clues. I'm going to slide our camera over just a little bit. Oh, wrong way. There we go. I'm going to go up. Okay, here we go. Ready? 9 children are playing outside. I see a clue. I see 9 children are playing outside. I'm going to draw 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I'm going to go back and count, make sure I do actually have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whew, okay, there's a lot of circles to draw. 1 child is playing on the swings. The rest are playing tag. Anything in there that tells me a clue? Yeah, 1 is on the swings and the rest are playing tag. We don't know how many the rest are, but we do know that 1 is playing tag. Could I show that a different way? Yeah, I could have circled that, but since it's just 1, I just decided to color it in. Now, how many children are playing tag? That's what we have to figure out. We know that there are 9 children. Is 9 my total or is it a part? It's my total, it's the whole. So I'm gonna put my 9 here. How many children were playing on the swing? Just one. So we're gonna put 1 here. I'm gonna put total. I'm gonna put S for swing, and I'm gonna write the word tag. Okay, so I've labeled, so I know my total is 9, 1 person is on the swing, the rest are playing tag, but we don't know how many. So let's fill in what we do know. I need to decide which is the best way for me to do this. Is it more efficient to subtract or is it more efficient to add? You choose. I'm going to do both. Okay, I'll do 1 up here and then I'll put 1 down here. You can choose which one you're going to do. I'm going to put subtraction first because we always seem to do that. So I'm going to put my subtraction sign there and I'm going to put my addition sign here. In a subtraction sentence, what goes first? My total, my 9, because it's the biggest number, 9. And then I'm going to take the one part I do know and put it right here. So now I can say 9 minus 1. Now, I have a picture here that can help me, or I can count back in my head. So I can put 9 here and count back. Ready? 9, 8. Ooh, that was quick. That was pretty efficient. If I didn't know that, I could still count how many I have here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same number. Now, if I'm making an addition sentence, and some of you may have done that, what number would I put first? I'd put the part I knew. I knew that 1 kid was playing on the slide, some more were playing tag, and altogether there were 9 kids playing. Okay? So how could I do that one? I could count on. I could start with 1 and count up to 9. So let's do that. 1 is in my head. So 1, and then we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, how many did we count on? We counted on 8 more. So how many kids were playing tag? 8 kids were playing tag. Let's double check and make sure we have everything solved so we can close this case. How many children were playing tag? We think that there are 8 children playing tag. Did we write a number bond? We did, and we filled it out. Did we make a number sentence? I did both. You only had to do 1. You could choose between subtraction and addition, but we do have a number sentence. Did we make a math drawing? There's my math drawing, and I showed that 1 kid was swinging, the rest were playing tag. And we know that 9 minus 1, or 1 plus 8, are both, or I'm sorry, 9 minus 1 equals 8, and 1 plus 8 equals 9. So we are both correct. There are 8 kids playing tag. So we can close this case, and we can move on. All right, guys, here's the deal. We're getting ready to get, let's try that again. We are getting ready to work with Miss Singleton today. You will need a whiteboard because we are going to write some stuff down. Again, you don't have a Rec and Rec, and you probably don't have a Rec and Rec bracelet. So that's okay. We're going to use mine and Miss Singleton's today. I'm going to pause just for a second so we can get ready, and then we'll start working. Okay, guys, I'm back and I'm ready to work with Miss Singleton. Are you? Okay, let me share my screen and let's get started. Here we go.
Hello friends, welcome back. I'm Mrs. Singleton. Today we will be modeling 0 less and 1 less. To the left of me is what you'll need for today's lesson. Take a moment to collect it and we'll get started.
I don't have a Rec and Rec bracelet
Today
either.
we'll begin with a warm-up. So what we see here is called a Rec and Rec. Now looking at the beads on the top row, tell me how many red beads you see.
Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5, very good. How many white beads do you see?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5, good job. 5 and 5 make
We know that's a double. That's 10.
10. Very good. So for the rest of the activity, I want you to just give the answer. You do not have to wait for the signal. All right.
We get permission to blurt out.
Way.
Okay.
If I slide one bead over, this would be
10,
10, 1.
1.
Continue counting.
10,
10,
2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10,
10,
6,
6,
10, 7, 10, 8,
10,
2,
9.
oh, 10, 9. Oh, I ran out.
2 10s. Very good.
I miscounted.
Now let's go back.
I made a mistake.
This is 2 10s. 10
10,
9.
9, 10, 8,
10 8.
10, 7,
10 7.
10, 6,
10 6.
10,
10
5,
5.
10, 4,
4.
10, 3,
10 3.
10, 2,
10 2.
and 10, 1.
10 1. Great job. Now, I'm starting with 2 10s.
I don't have any
I want
more,
you to continue.
so we're going to use hers. 2, 10, 1, 2, 10, 2,
2,
2, 10, 3, 2, 10, 4,
10 4,
2, 10, 5,
10 5,
2, 10, 6,
6,
2, 10, 7, 2, 10, 8, 2, 10, 9, 3 10s.
10s. Very good. Now, let's go back. This would be
3 10s,
3 10s,
2 10
2
9,
10 9,
2 10
2 10
8,
8,
2
2
10
10
7,
7,
2
2
10
10
6,
6,
2 10
10
5, 2 10 4, 2
2
10
10
3,
2
2
10
10
2,
2,
2
and
10
2 10 1.
Now, if I had 3 10s, tell me what this would be.
Okay, we're going to pause this because we can keep going, but I really want us to get into this lesson today. So we're going to kind of cut her short today. Okay, now we could keep going, and after 3 10s, we'd say 3 10 1, 3 10 2, 3 10 3, all the way up till we get to 4 10s. And we would keep going just like that, same thing over and over again. Okay, but today we're going to kind of cut her short. Sorry, Miss Singleton. And we're going to move on a little bit further down the row, okay? All right, so let's start right here. And let's push play.
5 10 1.
All right.
Okay, let's get started with today's lesson. Do you remember these Wreck and Wreck bracelets that we created?
We didn't make them, but we used my Wreck and Wreck.
How many beads are on the bracelet?
Remember, we had 10.
10, very good. Just like the Wreck and Wreck. We have 5 of one color and 5 of the other color, with 10 as a total. Now I want you to take one bead away. How many beads do we have now?
Ooh, if I took one away, we had 9.
Let's count.
1,
5,
6, 7, 8, 9.
9 beads left. Write a number sentence to
Okay.
show what we did.
Let's write a number sentence. Oh,
10
sorry, guys.
minus 1 equals 9. All right, let's try another.
I'm going to leave that
So
there.
push that bead all the way up so that it's hiding behind your hand.
I can't push
How many
mine, but
beads
I'm
do
going
we
to try to
have
hide
now?
it. So we have
9.
9 beads.
Take one away.
Let's take one away.
How many do we have now?
5, 6, 7, 8.
6, 7, 8. Write a number sentence to show what we did.
Okay, pause. Let's write our number sentence. We had 9 to begin with. We took 1 away, and then we had 8. Okay, so let me zoom in a little bit. There we go. Now you can see a little better. All right.
9 minus 1 equals 8.
Okay,
Okay, push that bead all the way up so that it's hiding behind your hand.
Now we have 8
How many
beads.
do we have?
Just 8 right
8.
here.
One away.
Let's slide that one over. How many is left?
How many do we have now?
5, 6, 7.
6, 7. We have 7 beads. Write a number sentence to show what you did.
So let's write our, pause if you need to. Let's write. How many did we start with? We started with 8. We took 1 bead away, and now we have 7. You notice a pattern yet? Interesting.
8 minus 1 equals 7.
Now we took that one.
Okay, push that one all the way up.
So we're left with
We have 7 beads. Take 1 away.
Whoop.
How many do we have?
5, 6.
You're right. 5, 6. Getting good at this. Write a number sentence to show what you did.
Okay, we started with 7. We took
7
1 away.
Minus 1
Gave us
equals
6.
6. Now push your beads back and open your pipe cleaner so that your beads are in a straight line.
Mine are already in a straight
You may
line.
have to kind of squeeze your pipe cleaner so that it can form to a straight line. Kind of bend it
We already have ours in a
and
straight line.
wiggle it so
We're
that
good.
you can make it into a straight line. Okay, this is as straight as I can get it. I think that's good. Now push 3 beads all the way over to the end of the pipe cleaner. Tell me a number sentence to describe what you did.
Ooh, let's pause and let's look at this. We pushed 3 beads all the way over here. How many do we have over here? Let's count them. 5, whoops, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 beads and 3 beads over here. So what 2 numbers do you think we're going to use? Let's see. 7. How could we write that?
Very good. You know there were 10 to start with, and we took 3 away. So 10 minus 3 equals 7. Now use your beads to show me 7 minus 1.
Ooh, what's 7 minus 1?
Okay, so I have 7. If I take 1
1 away. How many did I have? 5, 6.
6.
I see a pattern.
Is that what you did?
Yes.
Great work.
We said 6 and we took 1
Now write a
away.
number sentence.
5.
7
Oh, I did that
minus
wrong.
1 equals 6.
That's the same thing we did.
Okay, now show me 6 beads.
Okay, we
Take
have
1 away.
6 beads. Let's take 1 away. Left with how
How
many?
many beads are we left with? 5. Very good.
I started with
Write a
6.
number sentence to represent that.
Took 1 away. Now I have 5.
6 minus 1 equals 5. Excellent. We have 5 beads. Take 1 away.
How many do I have
How
left?
many do we have now?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
So if I started with
Write a
5,
number sentence to show your work. 5
took 1
minus
away.
1
Now we have
equals
4.
4. Let's try that with a larger
Uh-oh.
number.
Sorry guys,
Push
hold
all
on.
of your
That
back to the middle so that we have a total of 10.
got my 10 still.
We have 10 beads. Take 0 beads away. How many beads do we have now? 10 beads.
I didn't take anything
Yes.
away.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
So if I have, let's write it over here.
10 minus 0 equals 10.
Because we didn't take anything away.
Now let's show 9 beads.
Okay, so I'm going to show my 9 beads.
So
Here's
we
my
have
9.
9 beads. Take 0 away. How many beads do we have now?
We still have
Yes,
9.
you got it.
If we start
We have
with 9
beads.
and we take nothing away,
Write a
we
number sentence
have
to show
9
your work.
left still.
9 minus 0 equals 9. Very good. Now, show me 6 beads.
Okay, so I have my 6 beads. Here's my 6.
All right.
Ignore these.
Take 0 away.
I'm not taking anything away because it's 0.
How many beads do we have now?
Still have 6.
Yes, you're right. 6 beads. Write the number sentence to show us.
I have 6 beads and I take nothing away.
0
I still have
equals
6.
6. You did excellent work today. Give yourself a round of applause. Good job. Okay, it's time for you to work on your problem set. You will have 10 minutes to complete problems 6, 7, 8, 9, 13, 14, 17A, 17B, 17C, 17D, 17E, and 17F.
It's a lot.
I really enjoyed working with you today. See you soon.
Miss Singleton. All right, let's stop sharing here. Come back to me. All right, guys, so let's talk about what we're gonna do. That was a lot of problems on that problem set, but you know what? I think you've got this. Did you notice the pattern that we made when we took 1 away each time? 10 minus 1 equals 9. 9 minus 1 equals 8. 8 minus 1 equals 7. 7 minus 1 equals 6. 6 minus 1 equals 5. And 5 minus 1 equals 4. Did you notice that we were counting down? We were counting down. We took 1 away and we counted down. Did you notice the pattern here? Anytime we subtracted 0, our totals and our parts didn't change. That might help us when we do our problem set. So let me erase this. And let's turn this back on. And let's look at our problem set. Let me zoom in a little bit. Oop, wrong way. All right. Now, you had quite a few problems to do on your problem set today. You had 6 through 9, 13, 14, 17, A through F. That's a lot of problems. But I'm going to look at this. And I'm not going to go over every single one of these with you. I'm just going to pick the first 3, and we're going to talk about the first 3, okay? So let's look at it. It says cross off what we needed to subtract. So 6 minus 1. Here's 6. I'm going to take 1 away, and that leaves me with 5. Okay, what about 6 minus 0? Did you cross any off? No, because it's 0. So if this is 0, what's left? Still have 6. Okay? All right, let's look down here. If you want, make a 5 group drawing for each problem like the ones above. Show the subtraction. Now, if you need help and you need that picture, what they're telling you is draw that picture. So let's go ahead and draw 7 minus 1. So here's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? I'm going to color in 2 of those to make them a different color like they did up there. Now, how many am I going to take away? Just the 1. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 left. Now, if I did that same thing over here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and I take none away, I don't mark out any, how many am I left with? I still have 7, okay? So I want you to go work on your problem set. The numbers are in the instructions. Make sure you do your problem set and the exit ticket today. Very important, okay? Turn them both into me, and I'll see you guys with lesson 34. Bye, guys.